What do you love about your job?
It's a challenge every day. I'm a competitor. I love to compete, and we're able to compete in this mining world.
When they started in business, I think they were the 17th largest mining contractor in Central Georgia, and today they're #1.
We run probably 420 pieces of yellow iron, primarily heavy mining equipment, large excavators, large bulldozers, large motor graders.
And Cat Financial's been a big part of that. We've financed over 100 machines for him since he began in business. He's an active user of the Cat card. He uses our services for rebuild financing.
They have been instrumental in helping us acquire and build on our fleet. Been very competitive with their rates.
The decision that we made back when we started rebuilding these trucks in 2017, it was based on getting another life out of the machine, trying to narrow down what our cost per yard to move dirt is, and rebuilding the machine to get a second life, it really played a big part in keeping our costs down so we can pass that on to our customers.
Yancey Brothers takes pride in working very closely with sellers. You know, they rely on us very heavily to allow them to get this product out in a timely manner on their production schedule. We have to be there to support their every need. In today's world, supply chain is hard. Machines are, a year, 2 years out. A rebuild is usually about 55 to 60% the cost of new. It can be financed the same as new. It gets the warranty just like a new machine. But there's also aspects that people don't think about, such as this operator has been running this machine for 12 years. He knows this machine. Your technicians know the machine. And the parts you have in your warehouse already supplied will still fit that machine.
As the machine sales rep, I love selling new machines, but we're going to do what's the most cost effective and what makes the most sense for sellers. The new paint's fun, but the rebuild process has been very beneficial to sellers in having that more cost effective way of running that truck a second, third life.
When it comes to financing rebuilds, I get questioned a lot, why should I go to Cat5 or why should I not use my bank that I've been doing business with for years? And some of the main reasons I tell customers I prefer Cat Financial, one, we work very closely with them between the dealer and Cat itself. They know our industry, they know our business, they understand droughts and rains and hardships. They understand sometimes things don't go perfectly, and they can customize that and work with customers and understand more personally of what they're going through.
Financing a rebuild is a good decision for this customer because it's a lot of cash. They're really looking for someone to offer a solution so they can spread that cost out over the years because it is a generational decision that they're making.
One of the best benefits of doing a rebuild is the extended protection that comes with the machine once it's completed. It gives them a blanket of comfort to know that their machine is going to be taken care of without an extra expense to them.
Conventional banks look at our type of work probably at high risk because of the capital, but Cat understands what the value of equipment is.
They understand the product. It's plain and simple, which is the most critical piece. If a conventional lender doesn't understand what a D7 is, I don't need to be borrowing money from that guy. Cat Financial understands their equipment, their products. They understand how long things should last. They understand how long we should be financing some of this stuff. We're on the same page, and that makes it really important and easy.